Here I have GIGASET GS160 and let me show you how to use power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me show you how to quickly enable power saving. Let's just use the upper bar twice, and here let's tap on the super power mode right here, super power saver mode, and as you can see now the device switch into super power saver mode. So as you can see the brightness go really low, and here you've got lots of restrictions. You can use only the following apps. If you would like to disable this mode, let's use this exit key right here, and the device is turning off power saving mode. So as you can see, all you have to do is simply use the following super power saver mode icon right here and switch it on. If you would like to use the settings of the power saver, let's tap the apps icon, find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down and find the battery. It's located under device tab. As you can see here, you've got the battery usage. You can, for example, enable the battery percentage on the screen. You can choose the intelligent power saving standby right here. You can also choose more key and choose the battery saver right here. And to help improve the battery life, battery saver reduces your device performance and limits vibrations, location services, and most background data. If you would like to enable the battery saver, let's use it right here. As you can see, this is the normal battery saver, not the ultra battery saver as was previously. And here you can also turn on automatically battery saver, for example when you have the 5% of the battery or 15%. And that's it. Now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.